Hi everyone, this is Dawn and welcome back. So today I am coming on to share an unboxing of the Sizzix Big Kick machine. I actually just had a birthday and I've really been needing a new die cut machine for probably more than a year. I have a Cuddle Bug and I don't even know how long I've had it, but really for about the last year, the pressure just isn't there as much. So I've just been having a lot more trouble getting clean cuts, especially in the center of it where the pressure has been, used over and over and again. So I actually got this Big Kick from Michael's and it was on sale. I think the regular price of this was $119.99 and it was on sale for 25% off. And then I was able to use some Michael's cash on it, and you got $5 off for every $25 you spent. And then I had some birthday money. So I got this for really, once I got a little bit of birthday money, just about nothing. So I am absolutely thrilled, and I can't wait to start using it to cut some stuff out. So I've never done an unboxing before, so let's see if I can get this out. And when I was at Michael's looking around, I really hadn't paid too much attention. I just saw that they had the product on the shelf and I thought it was actually a Big Shot. I didn't realize it was a Big Kick, but I know they were just about the same. So my daughter looked it up online to see what the difference was, and really there's no difference other than the name and the color. It really does the same thing as a Big Shot does. So, woo! Okay, so here we have the machine. We've got some styrofoam. Ooh, excuse me. A little bit of noise. Let's move the styrofoam. Okay, very exciting. Okay, it looks like, got some tape here maybe. I was thinking about getting something electronic, but I just didn't want to spend too much money. There's always something in life, and I'm always picking up something crafty. So this, with the coupon and the sale, actually was quite affordable. And I thought about getting a Big Shot, so yeah, I'm just thrilled. Okay. All right, I know that has this platform in here. All right, let's see. This is all just stuck down. All right, I'm gonna cut into this tape. Let's see if I can pull this off now. Okay, here is a cutting plate and another. Okay, it seems like this cutting plate, oh nope, it's just stuck on a little bit. So 2 cutting plates, and then this, I guess, gives you the instructions for your sandwiches, and then it's also the large platform, extended multi-purpose platform. This is not a cutting surface, so you'll want to make sure you have a cutting pad here, and then your die and paper in the middle, and a cutting pad on top. Okay, very cool. And then it's got the crank here, and I'm sure it probably gives you instructions on how to put this together. I'm not sure if I know. Oh, lost the piece. Okay. All right, let me go grab the little piece I lost. And try this again. I wonder if this just, okay. Looks like we're gonna need instructions. Warning, safety instructions. Okay, here you go. All right, it looks like there should be a nut and a bolt. Here we go. Still in the box. Okay, a nut and a bolt. Okay, some little bitty pieces. They give you like a little Allen wrench. And then like, okay, the cover. So, okay, this piece you do not need. It's showing you on the instructions, got the little circle with the line through it, so we don't need that. So, okay, we put the crank in, and it's just got this little square. So we got the crank in, and then we're gonna do this little washer. And then the screw. So, okay, I can't get the washer to stay there, so we're gonna do this. Didn't realize I was gonna have to do technical manual labor here. All right, let's use this Allen wrench. Okay, we can do this. Okay, let me tighten that up just a hair more. I'm so excited to have this. Okay, that's tight, and then they give you this little cover that matches the blue. And I guess the big shots, you know, they're the white and gray. So this is the blue. I like the color of it. All right, and it's got the nice little handle here that tucks down, and it's got the feet on the bottom that'll help keep it from sliding. I believe this is about a 6-inch width here. And let me see, we've got the handle, the crank, the cutting pads. All right, very good. So I really wasn't prepared to do in the demonstration, but stay right there. Okay, I'm grabbing some paper, and I just knocked some stuff over, but that's okay. All right, so let's give this baby a whirl. Let's see if I can figure this out. So I've just grabbed a Sizzix. It's like a pumpkin spice set, and it's got some dies and some stamps. And I've been dying to use this, ha ha ha. Let's see if I can get this out. All right, so I'm gonna use this word, and I am going to set this aside. We're gonna ink this stamp up. Pumpkin spice and everything nice, very cute. And okay, cool, the die goes right around those words. I'm gonna just trim this paper down. And they make I know some magnetic platforms, and I would love to pick up one of those at some point, but not right away. But in the meantime, I'll just continue doing like I have and use a little bit of washi tape to hold my die in place. All right, let's bring over. Here's the Big Kick. Here's the platform. I'll turn it this way so we can see. Now, at least with the Cuttlebug, I had an A plate and a B plate and a C plate, and these just appear to be the same. So I've got a plate here. Here's what we're gonna die cut. Here's the top plate. Let's turn it around so I can crank it. All right, here we go. Okay, that was just one pass through. Oh, look. Looks like I have a nice clean cut. I've got the washi tape on here. Let me peel this off gently so it doesn't tear my paper. Okay, very good. I have a very nice clean cut. So I am very excited about this. I am going to use it more and I'll share with you more thoughts, but I am very thrilled. And of course, if you're familiar with the die cutting machine, they give you these plates. They will wear out over time, and this is going to happen. You're going to get the shapes in there because the metal is going to leave an impression in those plates. So that means it's working good. So yeah, very excited. So thank you guys, and I'm excited to use this. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know what your favorite or what you use for die cutting, or what your favorite machine is. So thanks for stopping by, and until next time.